burglar is trapped in the chimney. Yo, this is live, baby. Sunday morning is crazy. This is out of control, yo.
I hope somebody has a towel.
Running around here like I'm butt naked, man. I'm a real good African man. Boy, I stop playing. I would never run around here and fight nobody butt naked. Shut up. Listen to me, on God. They playing games.
Man.
They playing games, man.
Yeah, young dude, too.
They laced me last night.
It's a young dude.
They laced me last night. They had me running around here butt naked.
It's a young dude. This dude can't be no more than like 30.
Don't kill him. Y'all don't let these folks kill me.
It's crazy.
Y'all stuck me in the fireplace, riding around. I heard y'all riding around here like I didn't know I was in here. Last night they had me chasing me butt naked. I'm not crazy, y'all.
Hey, dog. You need to leave them drugs alone, yo. See what these drugs do to you? Leave it alone.
But